I-65 south, just right outside of Elizabethtown. This is the way it's been for almost 3 years now. I wonder how much longer they're going to drag this out. Yeah. Oh yeah, this is a Friday afternoon, by the way. Yeah. Northbound seems to be flowing just fine. But it's the southbound. What it is, there's a widening project going on here, and it's caused massive problems for everyone. So, and of course they have the lane closed, so there's no merge, so that you have to just let everyone over. Yeah, fun. Well, we're moving a little bit. Now, I'm going to allow room to let them over. Now, whether or not they really do or not, it's going to be their prerogative. There we go. So you usually want to ride over in this lane and string it out as long as you can. Well, we're rolling now. We're now doing 30 miles an hour. All right. So you see they've got it combed off. And lines to make everyone confused. Left lane is for passing. Drive on right. Yes, master. That's all right because I'm getting ready to get off here at this next ramp anyway. See, I go to the bank on the northern end of E-Town, Elizabethtown, and I usually hop on the interstate to skip around the side of town so I miss the train. But with road construction going on, it doesn't work so well. Yay, so we're back to being throttled again. Oh yeah, this is fine. Toll booths used to be up here somewhere. All right, we're back in action. Smooth sailing from here. At least I don't have to be down there because now that's where it gets a real mess. All right, I'm off to the gas station and I'm heading home. Thanks for watching.